everybody. Hope you are doing well. Today, we would like together look at the simple challenges. You can solve it easily. In the case of you have a column of text, and that column has not same format. As you may see, the one product is started with the all letter capitalized, but the other product just started with the whole of the first word all capitalized. So what we can do, we can go to the transform data and open mQuery or Power Query, and then find that a specific column. The simple. Sometimes we said, okay, it's just one word, so we can go and replace it. But when again we have a lot of the rows, it's not easy to find all one by one. Just you may make a right click, and you have a possibility to transform from the each of words, capitalize the letter. So I use that one and all change it. In the case of you have extra character which you want to remove it, and you have a more beautiful report, you have a possibility to transform and clean. So in the case of if any parentheses or not any extra character, it will be removed. So apply and close, and as you may see, yes, all are same format. Hope you enjoy it, and till next video. Bye bye.